Hey, welcome to the shop. Thanks for stopping by. This is video one of a series of videos aimed at the beginner laser engraver. The folks over at Longer sent me their Ray 5 20-watt laser engraver. In this video, we're going to show you how to assemble a basic laser engraver. And in video two, we'll get it connected to Lightburn and the corresponding apps, get everything working and set up right. And then in video three, we'll start showing you how to do some projects and to fine tune everything. So follow along, get into laser engraving, let's have some fun. Okay, so we've got everything unpacked. We've got front and rear rail, left and right rail, our gantry, those are going to make up the majority of the frame. Got our control box, our laser module, power brick, safety glasses, and then nuts and bolts to assemble it with. The first thing we're going to do is go step one. We're going to pull all of this stuff out of here. Comes with these little corner brackets. These little corner brackets slide into there and then slide in there to help brace it. The only company I've seen do that so far is Longer. Everybody else just uses one screw that runs through and into the other rail. This has got actually 3 points on each corner, making it stronger. And like I said, it goes together very quick. Most entry-level style laser engravers are the same basic designs. Some have other little features or things added to them to make them a little bit stronger, kind of like this one here does. Okay. There we have our basic frame put together. So you got 4 corner brackets, 2 set screws in each bracket, and then 4 screws to lock everything in place. Just a few moments and it's done. Now, you want to slide your gantry onto the frame like that. So our gantry is on there. Take our corners. Another thing while you're putting the rear rail in place is to make sure that you have this rear rail facing the right direction and with the grooves facing front or back, not up or down. I've done that before. I'm going to get to put the feet on and realize the bracket's in the wrong way. So there is one. Now you'll notice there's only 3 feet for it. That's because the control box is actually the left front foot. Okay, so we got that. And we got one more screw in this little spacer piece. And that goes in the side here for the limit switch. Now we got to do belts and limit switches. These are your belts. Basically, they slide down in here, up and over, or under this pulley, up and over this one, and back down under this one. They can be a royal pain to get to go where you want them to go. So we put that one in there like that. A little bit of a loop on that end. Roll it back a little bit. And there we have a belt in place. Now we will do the same thing with the other side. There's that one. Put a little crease in that end so it curves the right direction. And there we have both belts are now in place. So we will slide the belt through the little notch on the back. Slide the little T-nut down in there and give it a twist to turn it, get it started, just like that. Then we take the screw and tighten the screw down. And that locks the belt into place. And one more side and then we're done. Again through the slot, put the little nut inside of there and give it a twist. Well, come on now, here we go. Just pull on the belt. And there we have it. We have tensioned belt. No slop. Now these are adjustable. If you find out you have a little bit of play in it, these are adjustable. You can take a wrench to them and turn them just very slightly to snug them up. Okay, to put the limit switches in, same basic thing. They got the little T-nut thing on the bottom. Now on the Y-axis, front to back, you want the limit switch on this end of the paper. So we put our little nut in there. Give it just a little twist to get it started. Just like that. And we take our screw and start it. And we back the limit switch up till it catches the edge of the paper. Set the switch in place. Tighten it down. That simple. So now, this is upside down, but you get the point. So when the rail comes all the way to the front, it'll hit that switch and trigger the switch. And that stops the movement. Okay, so now we've got the limit switches in place. They are set. So now we go to wiring harness. which is completely labeled. This will be Y-axis. This controls front and back. And this is X-axis limit switch. There we go. There's X-axis limit switch. Then we have X-axis motor, which goes right there. That is the laser assembly, which is right here. Now this comes with the air nozzle for the air assist. I didn't get the air assist with this kit, but I've got another one here that I'm going to use. So you come with some screws. Let me turn this around. It's got some screws that slide or screw into this bracket here. Then it's got a dovetail type slide. Slides down inside. And you just tighten those screws down to lock it into place. Now we've got one more connection up here on the front, which is the limit switch underneath the front corner. That's all plugged in. And there we have the longer Ray 5 completely set up. Now a couple of weeks, I've got the Y-axis extensions, which doubles the length. I will take this back apart and show you how to convert it over, put in the new limit switches, realign everything, get it all set up. But that's the basics. There we have it. It is set up, ready to go. Tomorrow I'll show you how to, or in the next video, I'll show you how to get it set up and connected to a light burn and make sure everything is aligned properly, make sure it's working right. We'll do a quick test burn on something, but that's it. Quick, simple, didn't take very long at all. Sometimes it's a little tedious messing with these little screws and nuts and getting your big hands into places, but they're easy to do. No excuse not to get into laser engraving. So come back for a second one. We'll play around some more.